personal life centers around relationship. And what makes relationship work? Any bookstore is full of 150 books on how to make your relationship work, folks. And if you knew, you wouldn't be reading it, would you? So, if you knew, you wouldn't be writing it. Anyway, what it has to do with what the world fools around with is involvement. Couples are involved with each other. Boy, are they involved. But they're not aligned. So the secret of what makes a relationship work effortlessly is alignment. The two people are aligned with each other in purpose and intent. Now, because the mind thinks in terms of priorities, what you choose as your priority now will organize everything underneath of it. See? To win the argument is not really your priority if you're aligned with the relationship, because your alignment is with the workability of the relationship rather than the egotistical pleasure of being right. The solar plexus, most couples get involved in a solar plexus power struggle over control and who's right and who's wrong, and they get into a game of one-upmanship. So any relationship, not just marital, but with children, with the world, with one's country, then, has to do with alignment. A couple who are aligned with each other means that their well-being is primary. Whether her coffee is ready in the morning becomes more important than going to the bathroom right away. You can wait and get her coffee going, and then you can go to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? That's the choice every morning. She wakes at 6, it's 5:45. I got time to go to the bathroom. So the alignment with the other person's happiness. Why? Because that's your joy. That's the source of your joy. The source of joy is not winning an argument. You don't feel joyful after you win an argument. You usually feel guilty, or you're still PO'd, or I should have said that, or I could have won if I'd only said so. So a relationship based on winningness, who's got control, who's got the power, is not going to be gratifying, because they both have an economic stake, and etc. Many of these dismal relationships can, survive over time. For the relationship to be gratifying, you're both aligned. You're aligned with intentionality. Where is intentionality again? So intentionality then becomes the priority is the alignment of your relationship.